Turning your engine T65. Turning good, and the front engines looks good, as you can see. No damage, no broken, all nice. Compressor looks good, no damage, all nice, all good. On this side, engines looks good, no damage, no broken. Computer engine looks good, no damage. Socket looks good, in good conditions. Starter look as well, as you can see. Gearbox looks good, no damage, not broken. And on the Z side, engines looks good. Altimeter look as well. And on the top, plastic looks good, no damage, no broken, all nice, all good. And on the bottom, as you can see, no cracks, no damage, no leaks, all nice, all good. And turning your engine T65.